Hey folks, so I'm working on a recipe that calls for spicy mayo, and if you know anything about me, you know that I'm not going to go buy some at the store. So, let me show you how easy it is to make mayo at home. Couple of key points: your egg should be room temperature, so take it out in advance, and your oil should be lightweight. Think sunflower, avocado, grapeseed, things like that. If you use olive oil or like Castrol 5W30, you're going to be in for a bad time. Without further ado, I'm going to use my trusty smoothie cup. Take your egg. Oh, that did not go well. Salt. Mustard. Acid. And then we're going to blend that into a nice paste. Start by blending the world's grossest smoothie base. Slowly add a metric splash of oil and blend until fully mixed. Keep adding small splashes of oil and mixing until the oil is all gone. If you add too much oil at once, the emulsion will break and you'll have to start over. To add spice, take a spoonful of homemade chili paste and blend one last time. And then find an unassuming salad or stray French fry. Well folks, just as easy as that, you should have normal mayo and or spicy mayo. Now, did you notice that I made any mistakes? Are there any recipes that you want to see me try? Please leave a note in the comments below. Otherwise, if you try this on your own, let me know how it turns out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.